Class 2, your chapter 2 name is addition. So what is addition? You did already in your class 1. You know that 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, like this. So you have to start this chapter in the notebook by writing this space in the notebook. So first we will start with fill in the blanks. You all know any number plus 0 is equal to the same number. So 42 plus 0 is equal to 42. Same way, what is 0 plus 19 is 19. Now 10 plus 10 plus 2, you can add like this: 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So if three numbers are there, you add first two number first, then 20 is there, keep 20 in mind, then add two more, 22. Now 11 plus which number is 20? After 11 you count up to 20. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can count in the finger. Then here it is 9. So after this fifth is 50 plus which number is 10? You know 4 plus 1 is 5 and 0 is there. So you 1, 0. 40 plus 10, 50. 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. So this way you can do. Now add with number line. So it is 6 plus 4. How to add in the number line? You can draw a number line like this by using scale. And centimeter of the scale you can mark here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 11, 12. We can mark up to 15 even. So 6 plus 4. So 0 to directly you have to go first up to 6. First number. Then plus 4 means 4 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reached at 10. So the answer is 10. Same way 14 plus 5 you have to try. So here the numbers starts from 12. It's not, the line is not starting from 0. Let's start from 12, 13, 14. The number is 14. So mark here 14. After 14 go 5 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reached at 19. So your answer is 19. So you can pause the video and write this page in the notebook. So this is introduction of your chapter 2. Now we will start in the book, page number 26. So first part is here. 32 plus 0 is equal to, you know, any number plus 0 is the same number, 32. 1 plus 17, you know that 17 plus 1 is 18. Next number, if you add 1, the answer will be the next number. Same way 7 plus 5 is 12 here. So how you are adding? You know that already we have told you method. After 7 you have to count 5 in the finger, or like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can write 12 here. So now next is add with the help of the number line. So first is 13 plus 8. Directly you just mark on 13 and count 8 the number forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You reached at this point, that is 21. Same way 17 plus 9. You start from 17 and count 19 forward, 9 forward. Then you will reach at 26. Same way 23 plus 7 you have to do yourself on the same line in the book only. Now add begin with ones. Begin with ones means you have to start addition with the ones digit first. So this is ones digit, you know, this one is tens digit. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. Same way here you have to write 3, 2. This is ones digit, this is tens digit, plus 7. 7 is only single digit, so it will come down to ones digit. So 7 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 2, 7 in mind, and 8, 9. 2 fingers up, so it is 9. So 3 will come down as it. Same way you see here. Now two digit number, both are 2 digit numbers. So first you have to write here 40 and this 38 here. So ones digit with ones, tens digit with tens. So 8 plus 0 is 8 and 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 78. Same way you can try D and E part yourself. Now we'll go to the question next page 22. In 22, first learn your doubles well. We all know 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6. Or if 2 times same number is added, then you can even use the tables. 3 2s are 6, just like 4 is 2 times, 4 2s are 8, 9 is 2 times, 9 9s are 81. Or you can add 9 plus 9, 18. 9 2s are 18. 2 you have to multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Same way 6 2 times, 6 2s are 12. Or you can add in on finger, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18. So now we will come to the next here. Double 2 plus 2. We know 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. This you can do yourself. Near double means instead of 2 the red number is written. Instead of 2 you write the next number. Near to this one 4, we have to find a number. So after 2 the number is 3. So 2 plus 3 5. And same way 4 plus 5 9. Instead of 4 next number 5. Here also 5 5 10. And here 5 plus which number next to this 5 is 6. And 5 plus 6 is 11. Same way 7 plus 7 14. Next to 7 is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. So this way you can do the last line yourself. Now there is a challenge. What number should we put in the empty box at the center so that the total is same in all direction? Totally same. This is also called as magic square. Magic square it is called as. And what is magic square, that I am telling you. Here the total of all the number is same. 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12. And here also the same sum will be there 12. Here also same sum will be there. Here also same sum will be here also 12. Means if you add like this, like this, like this, or like this, like this, like this, the sum should be 12. And if you add diagonal by, this is called as diagonal, then also sum must be 12. So we have to write any number here which make the sum 12. Just like 7 plus 5 12, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12. You can now verify 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. Here also 12. So everywhere diagonal wise or this vertically and horizontal, everywhere if sum is same, then it is called as magic square. Now we will start page number 28, exercise 2a. Add the following 2-digit numbers. We have to add the numbers. There are three numbers, 11, 27 and 21. How to add? First of all, you have to start from the biggest number. Biggest number is 7 and add any one of the numbers. 7 plus 1, 8. Here it is 8. When you add these two, now this add this 8 with the next number. 8 plus 1, 9. Same way you can start from here to here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Any two number you have to add, then add the third one. So same way here, 6 plus 2. Again 6 plus 2 is 8. Keep 8 in your mind. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. Here 2 plus 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, 3. Keep 3 in your mind. Then add one more. 3 plus 1, 4. Same way if I do this E part. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 in your mind. And then add this 3. 5, 6, 7. So 7 here. And same way 4 plus 3, 7. 7 in your mind and one more. That is 8. So this way you can complete other parts in the book, the simple addition without regrouping, without taking carry over. Now next sum is carry 1, your exercise 2b. So exercise 2b, regroup and add. Regrouping means you have to take carry. Okay, start with ones. So this is 23 plus 7. One method they have shown here that you just make 10 place. 2 10 place means 20. 1 2 3 23 is this one. This number they have represented here like this, and then 7 here with the single cubes. So then they added like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. For 10 you need to put here 0, and this 10 is here. Actually 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 will come here, and this 1 become the carryover. You have to write here on the top, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Here I am telling you one more part. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. If I write it sidewise, then where this 0 will go? 0 will go here. One digit will be here, and this tens digit will go here on the top of tens digit here. Then add this one. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. So this way you can add the this one you can add with regrouping. Just one more example I am giving. 8 plus 2. Add 8 plus 2 10. For 10 0 here, and 1 will be on the top, and 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the way. 9 plus 1 10. If you have doubt, again I am telling you like this. 10. For this 10 0 you have to write here, and this 1 become the carryover. You have to write here. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the way to add the carry ones. So you can try to do other parts. Now if we go for the next 2C, children, now we will start add by regrouping in exercise 2C. So this is start with ones. They have written start with ones, means you have to add ones digit first. This is called as ones digit, and this one is tens digit. Again I am telling you, you have to add this 9 plus 6. After 9 you count 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 15, up to 15. 15 will be there. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 you have to write here, and this one become carryover. This is called as regrouping, addition with regrouping. Then add these two. Carry you have to add with this for tens digit. 7 plus 1 8. Same way here, 6 plus 5 is 11. For 11 1 here, and that 1 will go up. This 11 was there, 1 here, and this one will go with the 4 plus 1 5. Now next, if we see this F part, 8 plus 6 is 14. For 14, this is 14 actually. 4 will be here, and 1 will go here with the 10 digits. Then add 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. Now here 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 like this. 1 here, and this one will go up to this. 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 will be here, and 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 2 will be here, and 1 will go as a carryover. So 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. 72. You can do other parts yourself. Try to do these all, and this is your homework also. So I am keeping the page here. You can pause the video and you can do this one in notebook. So we'll go further now for the next exercise. Now here add the following. Look for the tens. You have to add 3 digit numbers. So the best way to add is try to make first 10. So you add first the numbers which give you tens. Then it is easy. Just like 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 in your mind. 10 plus 2 12. Here also you try to find the number which give you some as 10. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then add this. Add 10 plus 8 is, add 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Same way here 9, and this one 1 you can add first. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So last 2 parts for you. Add in 2 ways. They are saying in 2 ways you add. First you add these 2, then this one. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 7 15. Then you can add these 2, same number you are using, so the answer will be same. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Here also you can use the same method. First you add these 2. 8 plus 1 9. 9 in mind, then 6 more you can count. 9 plus 6 is 15. And here you can add these 2 first. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 8 is again 15. So same way you can do C part yourself. Now come to the next third question. Here circle the doubles, add them first, means you add any 2 first. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 3 15. And here anyway you can do, either you can circle this or you can circle these two first. 8 plus 4 means you have to add any two number first, then add the third one. 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16. So this way you can do other parts. So last is fourth question, add, use any method. Any method you can use. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. When you have practice to do this, no need to circle any number directly. 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Same way 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 you have to write like this, 5 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Actually this one is ones place, this one is tens place. This way you can complete this exercise. Now the next is 3-digit number sum with carryover, regroup and add. So we will add by regrouping as we did for 2-digit numbers. Now it is a 2-digit number but 3 columns. So 9, first you add this column, ones digit. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carry over here, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 98. Okay, now 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. So here down part I am doing, this side you can do 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 like this. Okay, 8 will be here and where this 1 will go, here 1, then add 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this way also you can do. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 like this. Okay, 7 I have written here, the 1 will be here, 1 plus, add this here in this line, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So this way you can try for the next. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22. Now the carry over 2 you have written here, this 2 will go here with the carry. Carry can be 2, 3, depend on your this line. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So here also 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 9 is 20, like this 20. 0 will be here, ones digit here, 10 digits will be the carry. 2 2 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. Now other parts for you. Now let's see the word problem. First is papayas grow in groups on the top portion of the papaya tree. One tree has 9, another tree has 6, and third tree has 5 papayas. How many papayas are there in all? When in all is given, it means you have to find total. You have to add all these. 9 plus 6 plus 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So how you have to do this? This you have to do in the notebook. So like this you have to do. I will keep it here. Then you can understand. And you can write. I have written here notebook work. You have to write it in notebook. So exercise 2E, papayas on first tree is equal to 9, papayas on second tree is equal to 6, papayas on third tree is equal to 5. Total papayas you have to add. 9 plus 6 15 plus 5 is 20. So 20 is your answer. Next question is in a medicinal trees and plant garden there are 15 neem trees, 18 tulsi plants and 17 amla trees. How many trees and plants in all? Again in all is there, means you have to add all the plants. So number of neem trees, number of tulsi plants, number of amla trees as given in the book. Total trees and plant you just add. 8 this one, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 2 carry over, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5. So total trees and plants are 50. So this thing you can write in the word problem in the notebook. Now we'll go move further for the next exercise. 2F. Again the sum addition, add down, check the answer by adding up. You have to add like this, downside here like this. So 7 plus 6 13 1, 4 plus 2 6. Then they are saying check your answer to add upside also, means you can add 6 plus 7 13, again 1 carry over, 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6, means answer will be same. First time you have to add downside and second time upside. So same way here, 2 plus 7 downside 9, 5 plus 4 downside 9, and if you want to see upside, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 7 plus 2 is also 9. So here 7 plus 4 11, 1 carry over, so 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, and if you add upside, 4 plus 7 is 11, again 1 carry over, 1 plus 2 plus 6 8 plus 1 11. So this way you can complete all the parts of this exercise. Here also I will do one part, 6 plus 2 8 plus 9 17, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9 97. And if you want to add like this upside, then 9 plus 2 11 plus 6 17, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9. So this way you can complete this exercise also. Now the next is word problem, story sums in the library. Okay, and now here also space is given, you can write here also, and what I am suggesting you to write in the notebook like the word problems, so that I will tell you how to write. These were 36 Hindi story books, it is shown this side on one shelf, and 22 English storybooks on another. How many storybooks were there in all? There are 58 storybooks in all. They have written also here giving the example 36 on the top and 22 downside, then add it. But I am suggesting you to, again to do this in the page like this. So first part is number of, you have to start like this. Number of Hindi storybooks is equal to 36. Number of English storybooks is equal to 22. Total number of storybooks is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So now the second question. Rishi borrowed a book on September 12. September 12 he is borrowing a book from library. He had to return 14 days later. So on which date did Rishi have to return the book? So this the statement for this one is like this. Date of borrow book is 12th September. Number of days to return 14. Then just add 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. 26th September he has to return the book. Now the next page is on Monday Preeti. Next question. On Monday Preeti read 23 pages. Tuesday she read 20 more pages. More means more than 23. Then she had read on Monday. How many pages did Preeti read on Tuesday? So 23 number of pages we write here. Pages read for Preeti, the name on the top. Pages read on Monday 23. More pages read on Tuesday 20. Then total pages read on Tuesday, 3 plus 0 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So next is Arjun borrowed some books from the library. He read the first book in 11 days, second book in 13 days, and third book in 15 days. So how many days it take to read all the books? Means total time taken to read the books. Days to read first book, second book, third book. Total days to read is just add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, and 1 2 3 39 days. Or days is written already, you can avoid this also. Last is Apur found some information on page 75. Page 75 there is some information when Apur is reading some encyclopedia. There were 8 more pages of information. Up to which page, what page number did Apur need to read? So page number for information was 75. More pages of information were 8. So he need to read up to the page, just add 8 plus 5 13 1 7 plus 1 8. So children, this I did for you all the parts. You can pause it and do it in the notebook, and for the practice you have to do this this side also in the book, I think you can do. Write the numbers like this. One example is given already to you. So now the last chapter checkup. This is for you. I think you can do all the parts. Already we did like this. So I've written some examples to you. Then you can go further like this. Last question only I am discussing here. Shagufta saw 43 kites in the sky. Okay. Now then she saw 16 more kites. How many kites did she see in all? So you have to write in the notebook like this. On the top for Shagufta, kites seen in sky 43, more kites seen is equal to 16. Total kites she saw, just add 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 1 5, or you can fill also here 43 and 16, then add yourself. So this is chapter checkup for you. Now this is page number 41. You can try yourself. It's very easy. Just like some pattern is formed, number between 179 and 181, 180. Even numbers more than 6 but less than 10. So one number is there after 6 that is even and less than 10, 8. 9 is odd, 7 is also odd. 46 plus 6 is 50. So this way you can do these questions, and to try yourself and to verify you can see the page. So this is all about your chapter 2. Thanks.